This is active English. We're keen for picnic. We are going to do speaking and reading and eating and enjoy ourselves today. That's all we came here for.
Okay, so today, me and my group from our active English course came for a picnic to have a really good time. And as you can see, they're already doing their best to have fun. I wish everyone to have a good vacation.
It's a fun place to talk together, learn more, and interactively talk to each other. The whole thing I enjoy about it is very friendly situation and everybody loves it.
Hello everyone, we are active English teachers. We're here to have fun with children and learn English.